How to grow a black rose plant. True black roses do not exist in nature. Although many roses carry the word black in their name, such as Black Jade and Black Prince, they are really just roses that are a very deep, dark red in color. The most popular type of black rose is the Black Jade. For tips on how to grow a Black Jade, follow the tips below. For tips on how to make your roses really black, check out the tips section at the end of the article. Things you will need: sandy, loamy soil, water, Black Jade rose plant, rose fertilizer, fungus spray. Plant your rose bush in sandy soil that has been loosened. If your soil is heavy with clay, add some sand or organic mulch. The location should be in partial shade. Dig a hole about 4 inches wider than the root ball and as deep as the top of the base of the plant. Pack the soil loosely around the plant in water. Keep the soil just barely moist. During hot weather, water at least 3 times per week. Do not let water stand, as this could lead to mold growth. Add a fertilizer made especially for roses as per the directions on the bag. Most fertilizers are used at the start of the growing season early spring and once in the middle of the growing season midsummer. Prune your rose bush in the winter. January or February is best. Prune all the way down so that there are only 4 to 6 inches left on each stem. Watch for brown spots on the petals or leaves. These roses are quite fragile and vulnerable to fungus. Remove any spotted leaves and treat with a fungicide immediately. Tips warnings. Flowers will absorb colored water through their roots and up into their petals. Water your roses with water dyed with black food coloring once a week, and your rose petals will turn black.